Over the last 2 years, the taxman has been keen on sealing revenue loopholes that has seen it miss targets. This has seen it issue a raft of recommendations aimed at bringing strict controls in its system. In the latest effort, the Kenya Revenue Authority is narrowing down on the 124 luxury vehicles that its insider says are connected to a web of tax cheats. The vehicles, it is believed, were sold to unsuspecting motorists. The National Transport and Safety Authority, NTSA, has been enlisted for support in the ongoing investigations.
We are aware as NTSA that there is that investigation going on by KRA, and we are jointly working together because the KRA suspect that some of these vehicles either duty has not been paid or they have outstanding tax issues.
According to Major, most of the vehicles listed on Sunday in a section of local dailies are owned by car dealers. Car number 62 on the list is KCE 370T, Toyota Prado, which belongs to Bavin Motors. Car number 88 on the list is KCD 546E, a Toyota Harrier which belongs to Japan Africa Marketing. Others are Range Rover KCG 865M, Toyota Prado KCE 072S, and KCE 698V Range Rover. Citizen TV has also established that a number of high-ranking individuals are among the owners of the luxury vehicles with outstanding tax issues. They include a governor, 2 senators, prominent businessman, and also a personal assistant to an MP from Kiambu County. According to sources at KRA, the racket involves individuals who fake papers for returning residents who are tax-exempt. Others are cars destined for neighboring countries but are offloaded in the local market in collusion with rogue KRA staff.
The investigation has begun, and it's actually a problem that has been highlighted internally, which means that there are controls and there's something that must have been known that is not working.
Already, some KRA officers based at the port city of Mombasa are under investigations for colluding with clearing agents at the port for interfering with cargo import manifests. It is believed it is at this point that the taxman is shortchanged. The car owners are expected to present themselves Tuesday at the Railways Club in Nairobi.
If you have nothing to hide, present your vehicles to the people who are doing these investigations. Present also the documentation, like say the relevant documentation, like the tax payment receipts on issues like that, so that they are verified.
Earlier in the year, KRA impounded luxury cars imported from Britain and disguised as household goods. The tax evasion racket involved cartels in the United Kingdom and Uganda. Analysts believe this was the smoking gun to KRA's latest actions. Kenya Revenue Authority has also announced a crackdown covering car bazaars which will be undertaken through a series of sting operations. Michael Njenga, Citizen TV, Nairobi.